Everyone is making carrot cake this way. You won't believe the result. It turns out simply amazing. Start by adding 2 sliced carrots to the blender. Next, add 3 eggs. Once that's done, add 150 milliliters of oil. Then, add 1 cup of milk. Remember guys, my cup is 240 milliliters. Right after that, also add 1 cup of sugar. Next, a pinch of salt. Cover the blender and let it blend for about 2 minutes. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment down below. I love easy recipes. Next, transfer all this mixture to a large bowl. Right after, gradually add 2 cups of wheat flour and mix really well until fully dissolved. Take advantage of this time to tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. At this point, it's perfect. Next, we're going to add a spoonful of baking powder. Mix again really well until it's completely dissolved. This is the ideal point. Now, transfer all of this batter into a cake pan greased with margarine and flour. Here, I'm using a pan that's 22 centimeters in diameter and 8 centimeters high. To prepare the chocolate part, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to 300 grams of condensed milk. Mix well until it's completely dissolved. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for breakfast or an afternoon snack, you've just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. Pour all of this chocolate mixture over the cake batter, just like I'm doing. Once that's done, use a fork to mix the batter with the chocolate, making the following movements. After finishing this step, put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. And our carrot cake with chocolate is ready, guys. Now just turn it onto a plate, unmold it, and take a closer look at the result. Whenever I make this recipe at home, it's a hit. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your house, I'm sure it won't be any different. From today on, this is going to be one of your favorite recipes. And look at how amazing this turned out. Simply wonderful. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you stayed until now, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what score does this carrot cake with chocolate deserve? Now I'll leave you here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.